YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be going over the price action that we've had in the past couple of days. Then we'll be going over what we're seeing in the immediate short term, what all of this madness means on my screen here. And also, too, we're going to be going over some points of controls and all of that stuff. So since I do these on a daily basis, I was live streaming to come up with all of these ideas. So if you guys would like to join us for that, you guys can. And you guys can actually see the process of how we go through all of this fun stuff. All right. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to Bybit using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. Okay, so let's go over what we've been talking about lately. So if you guys have been following along with us, you know that on the 15th of August, you guys can go back and check this out. We were thinking that this was going to be the low for the day because we had our divergences. We hit our 618. If we pull our fib from swing low to swing high, you will see that. Boom, hit the 618 to the dollar. And then we popped back up, you know. And why did we do that? Well, if you can also take a look at this, when you usually come down and you hit the 618, then you get supported with the matrix zone or 618 zone, golden zone. That usually means that you're going to continue to the opposite direction, which is what we did. Then we came all the way up here. And then if you guys remember, or if you guys are part of the Discord, you will see that here we were calling for the daily updates. I was saying that these are more of like this is more of like a scalp, which there was a scalp to be had right here. This is more of a really watch the volume, because if we don't take these highs, we could come back down, and this area still is a day trade, swing trade setup. And so if we look at these two areas right here, 48K, what we'll be able to see is if we bring these bad boys up like this, you'll be able to see this 48K right here was the absolute high. So called that to the absolute dollar. And I know some of the members in the group were able to short that. And then we came all the way back down, and I remember trading this, and we were looking at this trade. Why was that? Because we had a swing failure of these lows, and we also had the 61866 of still in play, because sometimes we come down to the 618, 65, 66, 666, whatever you turn, whatever thing you want to use for your golden pocket, golden zone right here. We came down, swing failured, wicked into that area. We also had some 1 minute lows, and then we popped back up. Okay, so then what ends up happening next? Well, currently today, this morning, or whatever you'd want to call it for whatever time zone you're in, what happens? We come up, hit the 618 to the dollar, hit this support and resistance zone, boom, then we start to come back down. And I know that Max and other individuals in the live chat right here, which you guys can see talking about it, they traded that. I think, let's see here, Max is at 45. Nope, that's his long entry. I don't want to go through this and see, but you guys can see here, Max is out here killing the game with longing the absolute lows like a boss. So yeah, I don't want to sit through that, but we know that he ended up shorting this, and now that brings us to the current price action, where we have this little, I guess you could say, void right here. And the question is now, are we going to get supported by that? Yes or no? Well, only time will tell. We are at the 886. Sometimes Bitcoin likes to come down to the 886 and give itself some support from the 886 and then pop up from there. So one of the possibilities that I'm looking at, which is what I showed you guys a little bit earlier, is, well, to the down. If I'm talking about to the downside again, we're just looking for that 44,500, 44,800, 45k ish region, all of this little section right here. But in the more immediate short term, if we don't come down, what are we looking at? Well, it looks like we could possibly be forming this triangular pattern here. And what we'd be looking at, which is this, would be, well, the first thing that we would be looking for is this. The possibility of coming in and hitting, if this is the actual low, hitting somewhere around this 618, hitting this triangle pattern right here. So we could be looking at some kind of madness if we do pop up from here, something like that, and just continuing to do this until we break up or break to the downside. If we do come down more, we could end up seeing another little tiny swing failure to come back up and do some of this. Again, I would wait until we start closing down below this 45k region to see if we actually have any type of reasons to be looking for lower, because again, we could, these lows are being bought up pretty strong, right? We're not seeing that big of a move to the downside, so people are still very really strong in their buys, but obviously the shorting is winning right now because we're at a very, very pivotal moment. If we just look at this section right here, this is the wrong thing, but you guys can basically see we're just going sideways right here, right? This is just basically sideways action going on here. You could even look at this as a resistance, support, 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 breakthrough, deviation, come all the way up to the highs here. We have our resistances, then you come back down to your supports, and so on and so forth. So we're just ranging back and forth. So if we pull a fixed range here, you guys will be able to see. So this is an idea that we could be seeing if we do come up. If we do start to pop up, looking for this 618 around 60, 46, 646, 800-ish, and then possibly to come back down. I lost what I was going to say. Oh, yeah. If we look at the fixed range here from here to here, you'll see that we're the point of control keeps changing depending upon how you pull it or how whatever. But we have a point of control right here, which is what we're struggling to get above. And then we also have a point of control right here, and then we also have our value area high. So this is a very, very pivotal moment, which is why we're kind of just going back and forth, because the point of control is telling us, hey, there's a lot of volume being transacted here, okay? Lots and lots of volume, and that's why you see most of the time if you go a little bit lower than the point of control, we start to come back. If you go a little bit higher, then we start to come back to the point of control. And so, yeah, this is just basically saying we could come sideways, because also, too, we hit the overall 618. If we go on the 2-hour time frame, you guys can see here that we hit a very, very pivotal level right here. We hit the 618. That's the area that we've been talking about like crazy. So people don't know, do I want to buy here? Do I want to sell here? And we also have massive amounts of, not massive, but we have some pretty serious divergences showing up here on the daily, as you guys can see. We're making higher highs, but the daily is making lower highs. So that's something that needs to be figured out. So right now, when you get into this, when the world gets to a point of indecision, that's when you start to have sideways action, because here you usually have day traders or scalpers trading. Whereas usually when you're at the highs and the lows, you have more of like swing traders where bigger and bigger and bigger position sizes are inside of the game. So you guys know what it is that we're looking at. And also too, let's just do one last idea here. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart and bring that back up. So we could be seeing according to harmonic theory, we could be seeing this C coming down here to this 45k region to pop all the way back up, which would be amazing, because then it would finish this harmonic right here, all the way down to this D level. So the D, once the D gets put in on a harmonic, you know that we should be going up to the upside. So that's kind of what it is that we're looking for here, because the market structure is lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. Most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%, go down below, join us over on Bybit. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on Bybit already, take that crypto, put it onto your new Bybit account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher, okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts, let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter, you can see here. And that gets you access to this trader and charter section, where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting, 2.6%. Someone right here, let's see, 7.4%. In fact, it's already up now, probably because we're taking the highs. So yeah, Max is posting up his ideas, you can see here. And there's all of that fun stuff. And then also, too, just in general, people are posting up a lot of their wins. Norse, Terry Bong, Mr. Gixer. So yeah, we're just a good community. We're actually live trading over here. We scalp trade, we day trade, we swing trade. We trade all the trades. So you guys can see here, just a bunch of people are joining in with us. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Join us over on Bybit, Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video.